Well, sun's right in our eyes here, so it's going to be a little difficult.
Kannst du aussteigen und kannst du das Seil handeln. Aber die sind nicht weit, die bist du gleich oben. Und da unten war mal ein Standseil waren oder was? Ja. Jetzt gehen wir dann noch tauchen im Hinterladen. See. Dann haben wir alles plus minus.
So 3 Tage Intensivprogramm, total fertig. Das war nicht los. Der ganze Tag nur Bonus. Gletscher, Kälte, Daumen.
Nein, wo wir Platz sind, ist schon weniger spektakulär, wo das Wettenschiff ist, dass wir mit Bälle zurückfahren.
Hij zat nog wel naar de map. Ja, ja.
Wie?
Aber ein cooler Trail mit dem Mountainbike, ha? Das kann was, ja? Was kann man denn fahren mit dem Mountainbike? Jetzt haben wir schon wieder auf 1500 oben. Aber es ist mit dem Radl, oder? Schon ein Radl.
So we're about 5,000 feet. Would I tell you about sewer?
Just videos, that's all they are.
Yeah, we were doing 5K, but it died too quickly, yeah.
Yeah, I have a big car and I have 3 batteries, so. Well, we're on the, just got off the cable car, so we have a fellow GoProer here, so I don't want to talk too loud to get on the GoPro. But we're taking a train now up to our hotel, and the windows are open, and it's not real cold or anything here. So more of the mountains up there. And this is not a cog railway, it's just a regular train, so it goes a little bit faster.
It's the legendary north face of the Eagle, which
okay.
gave the name to the famous branch. The pyramid, the black dome on the left, the pillar on the left. Then you have the mount in the middle, and the Jungfrau, the Iris, always big decisions in front of the bridge.
Okay, and there was the famous movie, The Eiger Sanction, too, you know, so. about 5:15 in the evening, June 15th. All is well. We have dinner coming up that we're all looking forward to. And I'm here in the train, of course, and sitting here with one of our guides, all right. And we have fellow YouTubers over here, or potential YouTubers from California with their GoPro, so to make good friends with them here. So, okay, great. So I stopped urine. Okay, and that's kind of the train we were on. Looks just like that. Those are people heading back down. Okay.